I will never look at cupcakes the same way after learning this simple trick. Nutella stuffed cupcakes. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab a bowl and mix together 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it up until it's smooth and creamy. Got your batter ready? Great. Line your cupcake tray with paper liners and fill each one halfway with the batter. Here comes the fun part. Grab a jar of Nutella and drop a spoonful right into the center of each cupcake. Cover the Nutella with more batter, filling the liners about 3/4 full. Pop them in the oven and bake for 18-20 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick comes out clean from the edge. Let them cool for a few minutes, then dig in. The ooey gooey Nutella center is absolutely heavenly. Perfect for any occasion or just a sweet treat for yourself. Happy baking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow baking enthusiasts. See you next time.